Okay, so hello you guys. Welcome to another episode of the Rambling Teapot, the podcast where we ramble over pot. No, we don't. कुछ भी मान लेने का. Let's do this again. So hello you guys. Welcome to another episode of the Rambling Teapot, the official podcast channel of Don't Call Me Princess, footwear for the boss babes. So today we are going to discuss sliding into my DMs, and we have someone absolutely gorgeous with us for this. So let's welcome the gorgeous belly dancer, the sass queen, and OG boss babe, Raveena Dingrasani. Yay! Hi Raveena, welcome to the Rambling Teapot.
Thank you so much.
Did you get your chai?
Yes,
Am I
I
serving
did.
chai?
I did.
Just chai. Can we get some biscuits, please?
Yeah.
No biscuits? There's no biscuits. Oh, we don't have sponsors yet. Hopefully Society Tea or Party G will see this and give us sponsor, or hear this and give us sponsors. Anyway, Raveena, can you do an ASMR of chai here so that, maybe we get a sponsor? Yeah, that's just ASMR. That sounded good, right? So what we are about to discuss today, Raveena, is very relevant in this post-pandemic era or the pandemic era. I don't even know what to call it anymore.
Yeah, I know.
So this is the time where the entire world has gotten onto online. It's like that. Everybody is living online, and I think there have been good things out of that as well. But one of the worst things is that sliding into the DMs has increased, like, I don't know, 3-fold, 50-fold. I don't know. Like, tell me if you have experienced some new sliding in the DMs business in the of late.
Maybe like 5 minutes ago.
Really?
Because coming from a background of belly dance, where you are showing skin, you have to show skin. It's very. I wouldn't say it's mandatory like that, because there are lots of sub styles which does contain
A little bit of covered aspect of it.
Yes, totally.
Yeah.
But it's all about the technicalities, basically.
Right.
And
Plus, you're a teacher.
plus, I'm a teacher, so of course, what I portray would be portrayed by my students.
Right.
Basically.
Right. Yeah.
So, sliding into DMs of the people are more like trollers.
Right.
They are more trollers, basically, and I would just probably directly block them or something.
That's your way of dealing with it. Like, that's your.
I
strategy.
would just say one thing,
Yeah.
that they are the dirt under my DCMP shoes.
Woohoo!
I would just
Dirt under
rub
DCMP
them
shoes.
off. Yeah, I would just rub them off on the rug and walk past it.
Right.
That's my
So
thing.
true. Like, so I was listening to a podcast where there was a comedian and asked if you have heard about him, and he was saying that मेरे को बड़ा मजा आता है. मैं तो engage कर देता हूँ. मैं तो पूछ लेता हूँ क्या हो गया. Somebody just goes and be like, I don't like your specs. I'm blocking you. So
Yes.
like how do you? I don't like this. I don't like your new hair, so I'm like gonna block you. So Anas is like, I just go and like, अच्छा तो दूसरा पहन के बताओ, ये अच्छा लग रहा है, and then he just struck a conversation with his troller and just said, and I think that's like a very weird way of dealing with
Dealing
it.
with it,
But again we also have people like Komal Pani who are like outright
Oh,
calling
yes.
these people out, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, and I think, do you think it's like the right thing to do to call them out, and maybe because they're hiding behind this entire discourse of like the dark internet and writing shit about others, right?
I think it is. I think it's important.
Mhm.
I think it's necessary. But at the same time, like, I did have stories about, posting about these trollers that like, stop it. Otherwise, I'm gonna report you. I'm going to take my followers, my people,
Mhm.
make you report them. But then I have some really positive people in my circle, and
Right.
they just say one thing, and I'm like, okay, fine.
It's okay.
Fuck them.
Yeah. Because-
Because so
The support is so strong.
If I report 100 people today, there will be another 100 tomorrow.
Right.
So I think this is the thing. This is the community that doesn't stop.
Right.
It
Absolutely.
just doesn't stop.
Mhm.
So basically, either you ignore them,
Mhm.
either you take a step every second, every day.
Right.
They are so vast in number.
Right.
So,
Right.
Yeah, I sometimes do prefer
To call
quoting them.
Yeah.
Call them out.
Yeah.
And most of the days I'm ignoring them.
Right. So, of course it does maybe, but how does it affect you? Does it affect you at all? Like, or have you developed like a thick skin now? Does it affect you?
It does.
Yeah.
And if I would say it doesn't, I would be lying.
True.
And I'm sure that lots and lots of people go through these things. But yeah, like you do create a layer every day. You know, your skin does get thicker day by day.
Right.
And the reason why I would call them out after some intervals is because I am getting affected by it.
True.
It's not that as I said, I would be lying if I said no.
Yeah.
Because it's discouraging. With the trollers, it's discouraging. It's heartbreaking. You just don't feel like. And then one positive comment,
And that's all.
yeah,
That's all.
one encouraging comment, and people like positive people in my DMs will be like, "You are a sass queen. You don't have to bother about anything." I'm like, okay, I'm back. I'm back to.
Yeah, but talking about Sass Queen of lately, I was just randomly, scrolling through my Instagram and I see like a story by Ravina which says that, "Are you going to help me call them out?" And the poll says, "Yes, of course we will support you." And the other part is, "No, I am an asshole." I'm like, wow, this is one way of putting it. And then she has a follow-up story where she goes like, you know what? The ones who clicked for "I am an asshole," you are the people. You are the people I'm blocking. But that's one way of doing it.
I was just confirming that I hope it was for you and not for me.
Right.
Because I hope you're not clicking on it by saying that I am an asshole and you're not.
मैं clear कर रही हूँ बात अपनी. It's like that.
Just for the fact, there were like 31% of people who said I'm an asshole.
Oh my god.
31%.
And how many
Out of
followers do you
10,
have on your Instagram?
I think I have 42,000 followers right now.
That's still like a big number of assholes out there, right?
Big number.
Okay.
But I do believe they, I have people DMing me, like people who I know.
Right.
Like, गलती से click हुआ है. गलती से click हुआ है, मैंने नहीं किया है.
So there are times when that happens, okay? I mean, you're just scrolling and then, अरे दब गया. But that's also sweet that they want you to know that I'm not an asshole.
I'm not.
I'm not.
There was a person who was like, I'm not an asshole. मैंने नहीं किया है वो.
मैंने नहीं किया. Okay.
I know that, don't worry. So yes.
So, Ravina, what would be your advice to people who are dealing with this constantly? Like, there are so many content creators who are coming up, even in tier 2 cities, like Surat today, you know. And the moment they step outside of their comfort zone or their culture or society's comfort zone, it's a problem. Like,
It is a problem.
they start getting called out for it, So, what would be your advice to these upcoming creators, who are also maybe facing such DMs, Yeah.
Just before I answer your question,
Right.
I would like to say that it's not only to the creators, I would like to say, because I have lots and lots of girls, women, men who don't want to try belly dance just because it shows skin. Just because they think that, मेरी tummy दिख रही है, I don't have a belly.
Right.
Let me just tell you that belly dance is a dance form which is absolutely done by the muscles. It's got nothing to do with your upper skin. Nothing at all. And if mommies, if you're coming to me after a baby and if you say I have stretch marks on my tummy, please let me tell you they are your trial restraints.
Yes. Scars are beautiful.
Scars are absolutely beautiful. They are not something to be hidden.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
yeah, and I don't think you should ever think about any society or anybody in that manner who's just coming and talking to you. In fact, I would, that one time when you live for yourself.
Yes.
What do you call that? When is going to be that?
Yeah.
And to all the creators, like to answer your question.
Yes.
I would like give a big ass fuck.
Don't give a big ass fuck.
Don't give a big ass fuck.
Don't give a big ass fuck. That's what she meant. It was in the flow, guys. In the flow. But it was a sensitive topic for her.
Don't give.
It was a sensitive topic for her. The reason actually we decided to discuss this with her was that of lately we've been seeing that she has been dealing with a lot of it. And we really wanted you to come here and speak about it, because we want to reach to a larger audience and tell them that it's okay to be yourself.
Totally.
Yeah. So everybody goes like, "Arey, wo to Komal Pandey hai," but it's not the thing. It can be anyone.
I am sure she has grown out of it,
Yes.
Because I'm sure each and everybody who has been, in fact, even if you're not showing skin, you still troll.
You're still troll. You do anything, you're troll.
Exactly.
How does it matter anymore? It's like that. Okay, guys. So this brings us to the end of this segment. We will now start our spill the tea. Drums rolls. So Raveena, in the segment of spill the tea, what we do is our idea is to put the guests under a spotlight. Okay, so that you ramble more. Okay, so we ask you random questions, make you play random games. For you, we have something very special planned. Ask us what? She's scared.
What?
Okay, so what we want you to do, I am gonna basically read out a couple of trolls randomly picked up from the internet.
Oh damn.
Okay, and you need to respond to them if you are being written to like this, but in the character of Pooh from Connection.
Okay.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Troll number 1. Why are you always in your underwear? This is a troll to Komal Pandey, and you need to respond to it like Pooh.
Ah, people like you.
Minus. Woohoo! Awesome. That's really cool. Okay. Next. Okay. Second troll. All right. This is a troll to Ishita Mangal, the fashion influencer. Okay. You are an influencer only because you are rich. Talent to bhai hai nahi tumhe matlab. What? How to react? Please.
I'm all about talent.
Woohoo! We need to like some sound dada yaar. Put some background score. Anyway. Alright, okay. So the third one, okay. This is a troll for Dolly Singh, okay? And it says, money has changed you. You were so much better before. How would you react as my
Cool. Okay. तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम मेरे मनी के बारे में बात करो.
Woohoo! Oh my god, Raveena, this was epic, like epic, and thank you so
Oh my
much for being a part of the Rambling Teapot, because I think although we have made a lot of jokes around here, this was a very relevant topic because of what is happening online right now, and thank you so much for being a part of this. Okay.
Thank you so much.
As for you guys, we'll be back with such tarakta bharakta content again soon. Until then, put your best foot forward, wear some great shoes and dance. And if you don't have them, you can just go to www.don'tcallmeprincess.in and buy some for you. And stay good. Bye.